She's upset because she ain't getting what she asked for.
The only person gonna be upset in the end probably gonna
Bro,
be you.
for what?
Because right now, technically,
for
it's
what?
obstruction.
What's technically
one,
obstruction
you're
of what? Obstructed of what?
Here, right?
That's not illegal. That's not illegal.
This video captures a tense parking lot confrontation between an Uber driver and police officers. The driver insists he was simply taking a break and meditating when an officer approached, opened his door, and demanded ID. The situation escalates when the officer pulls out a taser, claiming the driver is obstructing. The driver records everything, passionately defending his rights and refusing to hand over his license.
Let's get it going. What's your name?
My name is
Name and badge number.
1560.
Name and badge number.
If you can read, that's where it is.
No, what's your name? I'm asking you a question.
And I answered your
Say
question.
it out loud.
Nah.
Watch out. Get from in front of my door. This
Don't
lady
touch the door.
touching me. That's assault. I'm getting this all on camera. This is assault. This is assault.
'Cause I've asked you
This is
nicely.
assault. Why are you standing in front of my door? Why are you over here? Why are you over here? Why are you over here? This shorty pulled her taser on me for nothing. And she ain't answered no questions. She just pulled up and asking me why I'm parked. Why I'm parked in a legally parked spot. No! You ain't traffic stopped me. I wasn't even driving or doing nothing. I have no reason to show you my license. No reason. Is it a law to just give you my license because you asked for it? You getting upset because she's a power tripper. Look at her. Look at her. She's upset because she ain't getting what she asked for.
The only person gonna be upset in the end probably gonna
Bro,
be you.
for what?
Because right now, technically,
For
it's
what?
obstruction.
What's technically
Because for one,
obstruction
you're
of
in the parking lot
what?
of a closed business, you're not
Obstructed
supposed
of
to be
what?
here, right?
That's not illegal.
So I asked
That's
you
not
to ID
illegal.
3 times.
That's not illegal.
Give it to me. Is this business not closed?
It's not illegal to
Is
be
it
here.
considered loitering? Suspicious activity, right?
It's close.
And it says no trespassing, right?
Where? Where does it say no trespassing?
I showed you that.
I'm parked right here.
So do you have your driver's license?
That lot
Yes
is
or no?
over there.
Yes or no?
I have my license. Yes, I
gonna show
do.
us?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. This is my car. Everything here is mine. Everything here is mine. Can you please back up, please?
No, I'm not.
Because
You
now I
already
feel
tried to close
unsafe.
the door on me one
I feel
time.
safe. No, you opened my door.
So-
You opened my door. No, I did. Is this my window?
I don't know his name.
Is this my window? You do know my name because you probably ran my plates. Well, then go find out and run the plate. She just got out the car and started tripping on me, homie. Like, what you expect from me, bruh? Like, I'm not one of those.
I think I am.
I'm not one of those.
either.
See, look at you.
Like,
Look
fight
at you.
somebody.
You're a dyke that thinks you got some sort of power, shorty.
Power trip, baby.
Yes, you
I asked
are.
you for your ID and what you-
Why? You didn't tell me why. Why I got to give you my ID? You ain't told me no crime or nothing.
What you
Shorty, you
doing?
got me
You're
aggravated and
loitering.
excited. I'm speaking with
Suspicious
energy.
activity. You're
How?
doing no-
How?
there's no
How is that
trespassing.
suspicious? How is a parked car in a parking lot suspicious? I do comprehend. You trying to come up with some fat, and I'm asking you questions and you're not answering them. You're saying suspicious activity, but I'm parked in a parking lot.
So I want to be clear. You
So-
have refused to show me your ID 3 times, right? Yes or
Because
no?
you haven't told me why.
Alright, yes or no?
Tell me why. Why are
I'm
you
not
stopping
telling
me?
you again. Yes or no?
I'm asking you a
Huh?
question.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please tell this girl to back
My
up
name is Officer
and
Wise.
leave me alone. Let me close my door. I don't like my door open. I don't like.
It's a closed business. That's all right.
Bro, I come here every day.
At least
I
5
park Uber. I come here every day and take my break. And I do my meditations. I listen to my music. She saw exactly what I was doing when she came here.
I saw you when I walked here. You were about to pull off.
Shorty, you
And
tripping.
I knocked on the window. And
You're
said,
tripping,
"You
and
gonna
that's
pull off?"
sad.
Right,
That's
let's be
sad.
real.
You guys got better things to do
wanna
than
change
this.
your story?
No, I'm not changing no story. There's no story to
Hello
change.
world. Hello world.
I have no story. I have no story. No, because I have not committed no crime. Yes, I do care. I don't care what you care about, but I care what I care about. And I don't like shorty, close my door. Close my door.
Where you from?
Bro, I'm from Baltimore, Maryland originally. I've been out here for 4 years, bro. I've been driving Uber for 2 years, bro. I've been coming to this parking lot every single day.
Okay, Mr. Price. Well,
Every
let's just
single
start over.
day.
Let's just start over, okay. I'm Officer Johnson. This is Officer Wise. All right, we're on special op. The only reason why she pulled you over is because you're just sitting here. That's the only reason why. You're just sitting here in a closed business.
My point, she didn't pull me over. I was just sitting here parked.
I mean, not pull you over.
Just sitting here parked. So you want to come up and act, that you want to do a check? That's fine. Do the check.
What do you think?
But you
I
see
tried
what
to
I'm
do
doing.
When I knocked on
No,
the window,
you
when
can't-
Hold on. Let's be clear. So don't miss the price. Don't start lying.
Shorty, you
When
said
I
you got it on
walked, I knocked
camera.
on the window. The car was in motion.
Because I didn't see you. I did not see you. I did not
said,
see
would you
you.
rather me
My
come
windows
from
are
the
dark.
front or
I don't
behind?
just look in the back. When I'm
And
ready
when
to
I-
go,
hold
I'm
on,
ready to go.
wait. When I-
You didn't have any lights. How did I even know you was coming? So you got upset that I was driving off thinking I was trying to get away from you, but I didn't see you.
I just care less about
So you
it.
was upset.
Let's be
And you was power tripping.
And I asked you
And you
how many
opened my
times
door.
for
You
your
opened
ID?
my door on
Why
a
did I
power
open
trip.
your door?
You grabbed my arm and you
Why
pulled
did I
your
open your
taser
door?
out on me and said you was
Right.
gonna tase me. For
Absolutely.
nothing. For nothing. So I said, at this point, let me get my phone.
Because you did
Let me
what?
get my
You
phone for
rolled
my
the window up
protection.
and you said
Because
you
you're
were
supposed to.
gonna-
And you think I'm some
You
criminal
know
or
how long
something.
ago this all that he just
Shorty,
went over
why?
here?
Why? Guess what? I drive Uber. I got nowhere to be. I got all day. I got all day. So I ain't about to give you my license for nothing just to appease you. So do what y'all gotta do. If you want to take it from me, take it from me. But I'm recording it, and we're gonna take this to wherever we gotta take it to.
Just ask you for it. That's all.
I get it, but I don't want to give it to you because I don't have to.
wanna give it to
And it's
him?
my right to not give it to you
Can you give it to
because
me?
I ain't commit
You
no
wanna give it to
crime.
him?
Surprise, and I'll just.
Can you back up and get the? Let me close my door.
No.
Then I'm not
You
giving you
gonna roll down
nothing
your window?
because I don't like how.
She already tried to drive
I
off
will
2
talk to
times,
you
so
through the
no,
window.
No.
Shorty, well, then okay, then I'm not giving you nothing.
We'll give it to
You
him.
don't want to work with me, I'm not working with you.
Not work, 'cause at
Let's
this
make an
point- at
agreement.
this point, it's gonna turn
Let's
into
make a
stuff.
deal.
So,
You close my door,
I'm
I
not
give you my
closing your
license.
door. I'm
Okay,
not-
then I'm
I
not
don't
giving you
make
my
deals with
license.
people.
See, this is what she been on.
I don't make
10,
deals
and
with
she tried to switch it up, not me. You was on 10,000 and you still are.
Net one's coming.
That's a power trip. You don't want to let me close my door because you just don't want to let me close my door because you're on a power trip. Well, point blank, but the point I'm
Who
making,
put that
power
car in
trip.
drive? Me or you? You.
Shorty,
So-
I didn't see you.
I guess
I'm
you
ready
the
to
nigga third
leave.
then, right.
I was done doing what I was doing. You probably see me
Yeah.
wrapping it up. I don't know what you been, how long you been watching me. You probably been watching and seeing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And you just so whatever. Shorty, I don't really care what you got going on. I don't really, it don't really matter to me. But you don't want to work with me, I ain't gonna work with you. And whoever you got coming, it don't matter to me.
She's actually nice, man.
No, she's not. You think
Jay,
she is.
After this,
That's what
watch
you think.
My body cam.
That's what you
So
think.
you can see. Like, I don't do that. I don't even.
What you mean you don't do that? How do we get to this point? Did you put your taser on me?
Why did I
Did
put
you
my-
open
why?
my door
Why?
aggressively?
Why?
On the power? Why? I'm asking you why. You tell me why. That's actually a great question. Why did you open my door like that when I tried to roll my window up? Because you didn't like it.
Your window up when I was.
Because you didn't like. No, you was not. You was just sitting there.
So the first time when you attempted to put your car in drive,
Is that illegal?
Why would I allow you?
Is
to
it
roll your
illegal
window
for me
up?
to roll my window up
Like,
while
why?
you speaking to me?
Why? So that's why I opened.
I
your
just
door.
told you why.
I can't see what you have. In
I
the
told
car.
you I
don't
didn't
know
see
what
you.
you're doing.
You
So
know-
therefore, yes, I'm going to open your door every single time.
See, look at you.
Every single
Look at
time.
you.
You
See,
sound like a-
see, look at you. Look at you. And you think that's nice? You think that's nice? Trying to be.
I
Is,
ID about 5. For one, when I pulled up, he tried to drive off. I knocked on the window. He was like,
And I
"Oh, you
stopped.
creeping up on me from
I
behind."
stopped
said,
when
"Would
I saw
rather-"
you.
Hold on. Would you
Go
rather
ahead, go
me
ahead,
from
man.
the
Go
front?
ahead.
I was like, well, what's up? What you doing out here? Let me see your ID. I'm not showing you nothing. I ain't got to show you nothing. I ain't doing nothing wrong. Closed business says, no, you're not supposed to be here.
Sir,
don't
as
care
I
what
explained
you're
to
doing.
her,
I don't care if you're
and this
better
gentleman,
than
when he
that.
came with
I've
some
asked
common
for his ID
sense,
5 different times.
I drive Uber, I
Hold on.
come.
He tried to put the car in
All
drive
right.
again. He let the window back up. So I opened the door and pulled out my taser. I said, bro, I will take you. Like, let's be for real. He's like, get out
And
of
that's
my way,
illegal.
get out of my way, get out of my
You don't
way.
have jurisdiction to do that.
So,
So if I roll my window up, you get angry. That doesn't give you the right to aggressively open my door and pull your taser on me.
Mr. Price,
Yes, sir.
you understand why this officer made contact with you?
Man, no, brother. I
Okay,
come
what you
here
see?
every day. I do my meditations and I take my break. I drive Uber. I never had any issues, bruh. It's a closed business. Nobody's doing nothing here. It's a parking lot. I find a place to park where I got some space and I do me, brother. I look into the sun, I meditate, and I do my healing energy. I go to pull off. I didn't see her. When she knocked, I stopped and acknowledged her. Okay, what's going on? I didn't continue to try to speed off or none of that. Shorty's on her aggressive. I don't know what's going on, brother. But I know it's uncalled for. And I know my rights is being violated and she want my ID and all this stuff for no reason when I committed no crime.
Okay, well,
So-
you're in the business that closed is vacant. All right.
Okay.
So she does have the right to request your ID. However, you're lucky because we have identified who you are. So have a good day.
All right, Mr. Wilkerson. Thank you for being a wise man. Thank you.
As senior officer eventually steps in, calms both sides and verifies the driver's identity without force. He explains the officer's right to request ID, but allows the driver to leave peacefully. The driver thanks the senior officer for handling things with respect, but his frustration with the first officer's actions remains clear. The video ends with a powerful reminder about knowing your rights and staying calm under pressure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.